Shit, man, my fan base is crazy, bro. Like me. Back then. That's the cartel he was talking about. That's my fan base. They haven't evolved with me. They're still they haven't evolved with me. They're still dark as fuck. Gaza Flavor. I like it like that. I like it like that. Dark as fuck. Dark as fuck.
This is Real Talk. Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yeah man people, welcome back to the brand new channel. This is Real Talk and I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. You don't know what to do, you know. If you don't feel like a real talk I make, like the video and subscribe. Long as you don't feel like a real talk I make, you see me? So we're gonna talk about fan base. Like Jamaica, them not used to fan base. Like Gaza Nation are the first real fan base where Jamaica ever get introduced to. Like me say in a previous trailer where lead up to the vlog, yeah, me tell you say, yo, you they have Bounty and Beanie, whole heap of other DJs where people are fan of, but you never have a fan base. You see me? Shocking Vybz crew wasn't a fan base, and Alliance, it was a crew, but it still wasn't a fan base. Like Alliance was the closest thing of naming your crew and have a fan base. You see me? But Gaza Nation are the true and real fan base where Jamaica get introduced to. From youth, their school, grow up, till them turn big man of youth and them youth have youth. Them are still a say Gaza, them still a throw up the hand sign like we see on the screen right now. You see me? Jamaica not used to that, so guess what Jamaica start do? When them a go after vybzkartel, you know what them do? Them go after the fan base. Like them things say, hurting, the fan base are gonna hurt vybzkartel. So when you find out say people start all call Gaza Nation sheep. Like one of the funniest thing for you call Gaza Nation sheep. Like Sir P and them man they found out and say Gaza Nation a sheep and everybody run with it. Only if you find out say few moments later, you have Bounty Killer a big vybzkartel say, yo, oh you make your fans them a diss me. You see me? Like make up on your mind now. Make up on your mind if Gaza Nation a sheep or Gaza Nation a wolf. Or Gaza Nation have a mind of them own. Because if Gaza Nation a sheep, then when vybzkartel say God is the greatest and him good with everybody, Gaza Nation would a follow. Like when Bounty Killer come out and say him like what him like and him pick Massacre side, Gaza Nation would a chill. Because them not hear vybzkartel say nothing, so them wouldn't say nothing either. So one of the biggest joke is people disrespect a artist fan base to get to the artist and call them sheep over the years. That just get debunked. Yeah, Bounty Killer debunked the whole sheep thing there. Because how and hell you want vybzkartel to tell him fans them say, yo, leave Bounty Killer alone. Like Bounty Killer say, yo, a 3 weeks now, him a watch him fans them a diss me and him not say nothing. vybzkartel don't tell us say him fan no evolve. Him fans them not evolve with him and him like it. That's the way how him like it. So my vlog them is always a reminder, like the things them dead you know, but me put them together and remind you say, yo, remember say vybzkartel love how him fan base are reacting. Him love when him fan base are tell Bounty about all him mother, you know. Yeah, because back in the days him dark. Somebody send the video to Bounty Killer and remind him say vybzkartel love when him fan base dark. Him fan base not evolve with him. You see me? Him might have said God is the greatest now and him a dance to him over the tune in a club and him want go a Gully Gaza tour and all kind of things. Him do the time, you know. Yeah, him do the time. So him know what him go through. And him have to change. And him have the millions. And him are the artist. And him are the leader. And we are the fans. And him go through. And him nearly dead in a prison and him art they are 50% and him beg God say, yo, let him out and him make a promise to the Lord and all of them things. The fans them never make a promise to the Lord, bro. The fans them never go through all of that, so him not expect the fans them to evolve with him. You remember good no man? So when people would have come out now and over the years, I can't stop say this, like, is a video me I watch on the fix with the same Sir P brother there. Yeah, me have to play the little clip there when vybzkartel. I say, yo, Sir P, them have to show them face, and Sir P have to go in a court. All of them something they kill Sir P too, you know. Yeah, remember so this is real talk a one single topic, but sometimes I got two topic. You see me? So one Sir P will run off of YouTube right now. Vybz Kartel did also tell him pan the fix. So from Vybz Kartel tell him, and from this so, him say yo, him is no match for Vybz Kartel, cause all the way I do, me I go play the clip still. Because I don't want to no clueless, cause them something that they out there, you know what I just remember, we no remember, you know. Only but something Vybz Kartel say, you know, you have to pre-where Vybz Kartel say and don't make it fly over your skull, you know. Yeah, so I go play back the part, and the reason why I mix the whole Sir P thing tonight, I him start up the sheep thing. I him first come out and I say, yo, Vybz Kartel call him fans sheep, and everybody I run up and down with it. Yo, remember say a Gaza Nation, them a go to war. Back in the days, school youth a war, Gully versus Gaza, man even drop out. Yo, one of the most dangerous and powerful fan base in Jamaica, probably in the world. You call sheep, you know, yo. You know how that funny? Like, you they actually believe say Gaza Nation a sheep. Like people will laugh and I run up and down and a joke at the time. I call Gaza Nation sheep. You know, delusional, you know. One of the most powerful and grimy. Like, everybody in a Gaza Nation, from a lawyer to a doctor, to a criminal, to a hustler. Everybody, just think about every profession. Yeah, because the way how the nation big, everybody in a Gaza Nation, bro. People will call your phone. People will make some meme. Everything. So if you don't know what you do, you say a man I call your account. Gaza Nation, I call your account if you don't know what you do, bro. Everybody there in a Gaza Nation, one of the most powerful and dangerous nation when I call sheep. A trick on yourself in front of yourself, you know, bro. But let me play the little thing where Vybz Kartel say about Sir P will help Lily down him thing. You know, so this is real talk at the same DJ Dreadbeard react, but someone on not listening, I'm telling you, say over here, so the reasoning there, you know. The reasoning for 32 days, the 32 days challenge, the reasoning move from over DJ Dreadbeard. Yeah, I'm still reason over there, but over here, so the potent reasoning and the, you see me, the down to earth reasoning, no nonsense. You see me? Yeah, so let me play it still.
Are you concerned that his thing would ruin your appeal?
No, him and nobody.
Okay.
Come on, man.
Okay.
May I watch you and Naro and Javi because on a show on the face. What in a court of law, what them say? You have the right to see your accuser. Thank you very much. I mean, if me I come be a witness against you, I have to show my face in a court and point by you and say, you Harry, give her the pussy and I want to kill you. Jesus. You understand? No man, when they behind closed door and a change in voice, can't do nothing to me. We not look by you and point proven. But they are road, I'm good.
So
You ever just watching video them and laugh?
Yeah, man, I don't know a real talk series. Sometimes not even clips more want play, you know. I just reason what they have a reason, but if we have to play the clip, to prove a point and drag on a memory. Yeah, so Vybz Kartel done chisel off piece of Sir P career from them longer time there. I just try a thing when I see him out here and I vlog about some other things the Vybz Kartel I do. Yeah, man, but people, you know what I want to do? I want to support the channel, you see me? Share them content, yeah. You see, Real Talk are one of the easiest YouTube video them for share. I now make it go to 12 minutes, you see me? Yeah, 8 to 12 minutes, so, and a Real Talk me I make, so you can share it with all your brethren them will have probably different opinion and thing and make them know, say, yo, listen to Real Talk, listen to DJ Dreadbeard. Them money attacky things them, you see me? Yeah, so, always like, comment and subscribe and share the video, share the vlog. Over here, so from now on, when I get the reasoning for 32 days. As soon as the two channel them monetize, then we get back to normal over the DJ Dreadbeard react. Still I go on reasoning over there now, don't get it twisted. Still I get reasoning over there. But some little thing I go on with the channel like the monetization pause. So I work on the channel. So when everything fall back to normal, then you go see the real collaboration with This Is Real Talk and DJ Dreadbeard React. This Is Real Talk is an extension of DJ Dreadbeard React. So if you're new to the channel and you wonder who is DJ Dreadbeard React, may I go collaborate with it. So write what my name there You go see and DJ Dreadbeard React, you just go subscribe. You see me? And all who are forward from over DJ Dreadbeard React, subscribe same way. You see me? Yeah, cause it don't make no sense to subscribe to DJ Dreadbeard and not subscribe to over your sucker. You go miss out. And vice versa. It don't make sense to subscribe to this Is RealTalk and not subscribe to DJ Dreadbeard. Are the same, I mean the same one. You see me? Me just a host over here so. And DJ Dreadbeard are the character. They want to mix up the tune and the whole heap of meme and the whole heap of super thanks and donation and over there. So you see me? Over here so we get to business. I can't stress it no more, you see me? But yo, we have reached the end. You see me? Yeah, and you see the arrow there? We are pointing to the video there. Yeah, it has got show up next so you can watch the video there. It's still fresh. You see me? I am out.
This is Real Talk. Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.